Interior design ideas. Transforming your space. Creating a functional and aesthetic space. Interior design is the art of creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing space that reflects your personality and style. A well-designed interior can enhance the ambiance of a room, making it a haven for relaxation, entertainment, or productivity. To achieve this, consider incorporating various design elements, such as color, texture, and lighting. Choose a color scheme that resonates with your mood and personality, and balance it with complementary textures and patterns. Add lighting fixtures that not only provide adequate illumination but also create ambiance and highlight specific design features. Incorporating nature and greenery. Bring in plants. Add plants or a living wall to bring in a touch of nature and freshness. Some popular options include snake plants, spider plants, and peace lilies. Natural materials. Incorporate natural materials, such as wood, stone, or bamboo, to add warmth and texture to your space. Maximize natural light. Make the most of natural light by using sheer curtains or blinds. This can help reduce the need for artificial lighting and create a brighter, more welcoming atmosphere. Adding texture and pattern. Mix and match. Combine different textures, such as smooth, rough, and patterned, to create visual interest. For example, pair a smooth leather sofa with a rough-hewn wooden coffee table. Pattern play. Incorporate patterns, such as stripes, florals, or geometrics, to add depth and personality to your space. Use throw pillows, rugs, and wallpaper to add pattern and texture. Statement pieces. Use statement pieces, like a bold rug or throw pillows, to add a pop of color and texture to your space. Creating a focal point. Statement furniture. Choose a statement piece of furniture, like a bold sofa or a unique coffee table, to anchor the room. Consider a vintage or antique piece to add character and personality. Artwork and accessories. Hang artwork or add decorative accessories that reflect your personality and style. Use frames, vases, and sculptures to add visual interest and create a focal point. Lighting fixtures. Use lighting fixtures, such as a show-stopping chandelier, to create a focal point and add ambiance to your space. Tips for a successful interior design. Start with a plan. Begin with a clear plan and vision for your space. Consider your lifestyle, budget, and personal style when designing your interior. Consider the flow. Ensure a smooth flow of traffic and functionality in the room. Arrange furniture in a way that creates a clear path and promotes conversation. Don't forget storage. Incorporate storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. Use shelves, cabinets, and baskets to store items and maintain a tidy space. Have fun. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the process of creating your dream space. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things.